Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change a wooden door lock. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather all your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a tape measure, and your brand new lock set. Take a moment to measure your current lock's backset, which is the distance from the door's edge to the center of the bore hole. Also, confirm the bore hole diameter, typically 2 1/8 inches, to ensure your new lock fits perfectly. Now, let's get started on removing the old lock. Begin by locating the 2 visible screws on the interior side of your door handle or knob. Use your screwdriver to remove these, then gently pull apart and remove both the interior and exterior sections of the lock. Next, move to the door's edge. You'll find 2 more screws holding the latch plate in place. Remove these, then slide out the old latch mechanism from the door itself. With the old lock removed, it's time to install your new one. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the hole on the door's edge. Make sure the tapered side of the latch faces the direction the door closes. Next, slide the exterior part of the lock, usually the keyed side, through the main bore hole, carefully aligning it with the latch. Finally, attach the interior lock mechanism, threading the 2 long screws by hand before gently tightening them. For the final steps, let's secure and test your new lock. Install the new strike plate onto the door frame, making sure it aligns perfectly with the latch bolt. Now, carefully tighten all the screws on both the lock and the strike plate, being mindful not to over-tighten and strip the wood. Lastly, test your new lock thoroughly from both the inside and outside, ensuring the handle turns smoothly and the latch engages properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.